Bone broth, a healthy delight. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel where we make English easy and fun for you. Today, we have a cozy topic that's not only interesting but also delicious to talk about. Bone broth. We'll explore what this phrase means, how it's used, and why it might just be your next favorite kitchen endeavor. So grab a cup of tea, and let's get started. Bone broth is a nutritious liquid made by simmering bones and connective tissue of animals for an extended period. The slow cooking process extracts nutrients such as collagen, amino acids, and minerals from the bones into the broth. It's a term that's very common in cooking shows, health blogs, and nutrition discussions. Traditionally, it's been a part of many cultures' cuisines for centuries, serving as a base for soups, sauces, and gravies. Recently, it has gained popularity for its health benefits, becoming a staple in the diets of people who are health conscious. What makes bone broth so special? It's the rich composition that comes from its simple ingredients. When you simmer bones, you're creating a powerhouse of nutrition. The bones are typically roasted first to improve the flavor, then simmered with vegetables like carrots, onions, and celery, which contribute to the broth's aroma and mineral content. As it cooks, the broth takes on the flavors of the added ingredients and transforms into a healing and comforting drink that's often recommended for its potential benefits, including supporting joint health, boosting the immune system, and providing a hydrating and gut-healing beverage. Interested in making bone broth yourself? It's quite straightforward but requires patience. Here's a quick overview. 1. Preparation. Start with high-quality bones from chicken, beef, or fish, along with any connective tissue. 2. Roasting. For depth of flavor, roast the bones before simmering. 3. Simmering. Place the roasted bones in a large pot or slow cooker and cover them with water. Add a splash of vinegar to help extract nutrients from the bones. 4. Adding vegetables and herbs. Include your choice of vegetables, herbs, and spices for flavor. 5. Cooking time. Simmer for at least 24 hours on a low heat. The long cooking time ensures all the goodness is extracted from the bones. 6. Straining. Once done, strain it to keep the liquid and discard the solids. 7. Storing or serving. You can serve the broth right away or store it in the fridge for a few days or freeze for future use. Drinking bone broth is said to offer numerous health benefits. It's a low-calorie way to consume minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, silicon, and sulfur. It's also known for its gut-healing properties due to the gelatin that forms from collagen-rich joints and can aid in digestive health. For language learners, understanding such phrases also helps in getting familiar with English-speaking cultures where bone broth is considered a wellness food and often appears in health and cooking contexts. That's a wrap on bone broth. We hope this video not only taught you the meaning of the term but also inspired you to try it out or incorporate it into your vocabulary. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the cultural nuances that come with different phrases. Stay tuned for more enlightening topics, and keep practicing. Until next time, keep learning and stay healthy.